long to power on the T30Pro. Connect the receiver and the controller via Wi-Fi. Configure the rover. Open photogrammetry. Set the correct pole height. Shake the pole to initialize the inertial measurement unit. Click the capture button to start image survey. Walk around the object that needs to be modeled. Do not keep the pole too far from the ground. Connect the controller to the computer via USB. Import the captured photos to the computer. Open RealityCapture in the Epic Games launcher. Add all LMHs in the folder. Check aligning images. Select the area that needs to be modeled. Click Calculate Model. Choose Text UER or Colorize to color the model. You can use the right mouse button to rotate the view and the left mouse button to pan the view. Once confirmed, you can export the model.